Hey guys, my name is Jamir, and in this tutorial I'm going to take you step by step through the process of creating a full 3D environment from scratch. I've been working in the feature film and game industry as a modeler for the last 5 years, creating high quality production ready environments and characters for companies such as MPC, Crystal Dynamics, and Blizzard Entertainment. Some of the projects I've worked on include Fantastic Beasts, Ghost in the Shell, and most recently on cinematic content for games like Marvel's Avengers and the recently announced and highly anticipated Diablo 4. This tutorial will give you a solid understanding of the artistic and technical workflows I use every day to perform fast, efficiently, and at a high caliber. I will show you my process for high-res sculpting, production modeling, UVs, managing multiple assets, texturing, scene assembly, lighting, and talking about best practices commonly expected and used at professional studios to ensure you are learning the art side of things, as well as gaining the knowledge needed to perform everyday technical tasks. Some examples of topics covered include UDIM workflows and how to properly give your assets great UVs without compromising speed or efficiency. We will talk about asset reusability, kit bashing, and learn about modern workflows for scattering, randomizing, and populating your assets throughout your environments. And finally, we will look at creating atmospheric effects and lighting to give your 3D pieces more depth and believability. We'll then composite our pre-rendered elements in Photoshop to create a more dynamic final result. By the end of the tutorial, you will have a better understanding of the entire CG creation process, as well as gain the knowledge and skills to push your personal and professional art to the next level. I'm looking forward to sharing my process and techniques with you for creating fully realized 3D art. So let's get started.